Hello beauties, this is Like Beauty Shop and today we're going to show you a slapdash technique for doing a line French manicure. Watch the video till the end to learn all the secrets of a perfect Russian manicure. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel because here you will find a lot of interesting things about nails, manicure and materials. So, today we will tell you how to do this design. Let's start! So first of all, we remove the old material with a carbide nail bit, then we do the initial filing of the shape of the nail and smooth the surface with a nail file 180 at 100 grit. Then we start the manicure. We push back the cuticle with a pusher, take the flame nail bit and begin to clean the cuticle area. Then we lift the free edge of the cuticle a little bit. It is important to do it carefully so as not to hurt the delicate skin of the client. Now we don't need to cut the cuticle because we have a lot of filing to do in this area. Not to damage the skin, we will finish manicure skin treatment a little later. Now our task is to properly prepare the nail. To do this, we buff the nail surface, then we will clean the nail with degreaser or alcohol, not forgetting to clean the cuticle area. The next step, we apply an ultra bond and a thin layer of base coat on all nails and dry them well in UV lamp. Now we need to lay the base of the nail with an acrylic gel. We apply the desired amount of acrylic gel on the base of the nail and spread it with an orange stick or brush. To make the material more pliable, soak the tool in a degreaser or alcohol. Now it is important to build the architecture of the nail and the smile area of the French. We'll leave the free edge of the nail empty. Carefully follow the boundaries of the smile so that the length and shape of the French in the end was the same. After that, we dry the nails in the UV lamp for 2 minutes. Degrease the nail and start filing. We give the right shape to the smile, remove irregularities and polish the surface. We do the filing with a file and a nail bit. And after that we can finish our manicure. Again, we push back the skin with a flame nail bit, Cut off the excess skin and grind it with a bowl cutter. Then polish the surface and our manicure is ready. We'll continue working with the nails. On the empty edge of the nail, we apply blue gel polish, paint the border well, slightly overlapping the white surface. In the future, the excess blue paint will be removed during filing. Do not paint completely empty edge of the nail, make a soft gradient to give the design volume. Dry the gel polish in a UV lamp for at least 60 seconds. Now, we apply the decor. We apply a thin layer of gel and on it, we distribute dry glitter in blue colors and yuki flakes. Then again we dry it in the lamp. On the ring fingers we also add seashells. After completely drying the nails in the lamp, we fill the empty space with clear gel. In this step, it is important to fill all the voids with gel. Now we correct the shape of the nail again. We have to make the nail smooth. There are no steps and splotches on the surface of the nail. Then we smooth the surface with a buff to remove the large scratches. Then cut the inner side of the nail edge with a nail bit. Clean the nail from dust and apply top coat. If the nail has a slight unevenness, you can correct it with a top coat. And this is the result we got. Write in the comments how you like this tutorial, whether you like the result, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later with yours Luck Beauty.